Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nurmaisarah binti Roslan. My matric number is 1220946 and my group members are
What is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which is the stimulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems. Since the beginning of industrialization, technological leaps have led to the crucial shift that are called Industrial Revolution, IR. It happened first in the field of mechanization, then with the intensive use of electricity, and the third one is the widespread usage of information technology. The last one, the applied information and communication technologies, ICT.
Artificial intelligence has become a key behind-the-scenes component of many aspects of our day-to-day lives. From the virtual personal assistants such as Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant,
the hardest part of working the pandemic was probably not being able to do enough for some patients, and I can't honestly tell you how that made us all feel.
We are not okay. We are tired and we are scared.
According to the British Medical Journal, doctors have a higher rate of suicide than the general population.
It's quite lonely, and I've experienced a bit of anxiety.
Member of Taoyuan General Hospital told the media the hospital system was hacked in August of 2020, but the hospital didn't take any action until a month later.
Firstly, AI can replace the doctor because AI has more skill and qualities compared to doctors. Kuli and Al-Mufta 2022 discussed in their article, which is Technological Sustainability. AI has the potential to be used to improve healthcare and provide medical assistance to those who need it most. The quality is AI has algorithm system. What is algorithm? Algorithm is a system or rules that provide computing devices with step-by-step instruction for how to complete a specific task. It is hard for AI to make mistakes because it already memorized the information of each step. For exemplifications, the doctor forgot or confused steps in giving the medication or injection. Second, AI can do tasks repeatedly without limits. Human doctors can make errors and many patients die to such errors. Doctors suffer from fatigue, personal problems and other priorities at times. On the other hand, AI-like machine can do the job repeatedly without any complaints. For instance, AI can detect skin, heart, eyes and can undergo the spinal cord surgery continuously in a day. In a nutshell, AI can fill the blind spots and eventually solve problems that we are facing today. However, this statement is not entirely accurate because AI lacks the empathy, compassion, and critical thinking skills that human doctor possess. In short, AI and doctor serve different purposes and strengths. It is crucial to use both in conjunction to provide the best possible care to patients.
AI can diagnose medical conditions. Artificial intelligence has the potential to alter the way medical diseases are diagnosed, making the procedure quicker and more accurate. So, how AI works to diagnose medical conditions? Natural language processing (NLP) is one method that AI is using to identify medical disorders. NLP in healthcare aids medical practitioners in more accurately identifying illnesses and creating treatment strategies. AI is also utilized in pathology. In order to diagnose the patient, deep learning is used by the AI to automatically classify cells into several cell groupings and identify patterns and cell states. Cons of AI. One drawback of AI could be patient privacy and security concerns. Another issue is that AI algorithms may generate false positives or false negatives, which may result in misdiagnosis. Conclusion, therefore, it is critical to think about AI as a tool that may supplement and improve the diagnostic procedure rather than replacing doctors.
AI as a risk to radiologists.
In a recent survey of Canadian medical students, 29% of respondents agreed that AI would replace radiologists in their lifetime, and 68% agreed that AI would reduce the demand for radiologists.
According to Bib Allen, Medical Doctor FACR, Chief Medical Officer of KSI-ACR, AI can deliver patients more precise and accurate outcomes than radiology specialists currently do. He clarified that although AI cannot completely replace radiologists, it would make their jobs easier.
Some radiologists worried that AI could one day replace them. That's because algorithms are getting really good at interpreting images and diagnosing disease, sometimes with greater accuracy than humans.
We'll take a picture of this X-ray. The model will then run and within a few seconds output it all these diseases.
How does AI assist radiologists? AI assists in easing the stress that doctors endure. The presence of AI as a replacement for radiologists can lower stress by automating some tasks and functions, enable doctors to do their work more quickly and with less chance of making mistakes.
People should stop training radiologists now. It's just completely obvious that within 5 years, deep learning is going to do better than radiologists.
The pros of AI in radiology. The benefits of AI can be clearly seen where AI identifies conditions like cancer that pose a serious risk if cured slowly.
Next is AI can minimize the side effects of surgery. First of all, a wearable wireless device with artificial intelligence known as eye monitor, THE1003, is used to monitor continuous temperature for patients in surgical wards. The temperatures measured by eye monitor has more accurate reading compared to the mercury thermometers. Eye monitor THE1003 has a powerful chip which is enable it to store more data and clinical scenario stamps. Then, the usage of AI-assisted robotic surgery. Surgeons are human, so they tend to make mistakes, fatigue, and less motor skills during the surgery. By the help of this AI robot, it can reduce the effects of hand tremors of the surgeons and avoid accidental or involuntary movements because it has high resolution and magnified image with 3D capability. The robot is moved by the means of an eye-tracking camera control such as abdominal surgical robot. The surgeons just have to move their eyes if they want to move the camera. AI also has its own cons, which is it has no sense of empathy because it will operate merely based on their program. This robot will do anything based on the programming without regard to the condition of the patients that are dying and getting worse. Other than that, these AI robots still need to rely on other things such as electrical sources. If there is any complications or problems from the sources, it will risk the patient. In short, with the advancements in technology, AI is being used to improve the accuracy, efficiency, and performance of robots. With the help of AI in surgery field, it can add the value by reducing the side effects to the patient. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is the key for the magnificent futures in this advancing world of technology. But the main question is, will AI replace the doctors? Doctors and robots are two different things. Doctors are humans that have emotions, robots are machines that are produced. But patient needs human touch, feelings, and emotion, so it is obvious that doctors can never be replaced by the AI.
The end.